Hi everyone. The topic which I got for Tech Talk is Boolean operators. My name is Satvik, branch Computer Science and Engineering of section C. My roll number is 20951A05G4. In my talk, I will be covering Introduction to Boolean operators, truth tables of Boolean operators, and uses of Boolean operators in Python. What is a operator? Operators are used between operands to solve a mathematical expression. Basic examples are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which we all know from our first standard onwards. What is Boolean? Boolean in normal words means either true or false. Boolean operators means operators which give true or false only as an output when they are used in a mathematical expression in Python. Boolean is a data type. They are also called as logical operators. In Boolean, the output will always be true or false, both starting with capital T or F, capital F, as they are special values in Python. Types of Boolean operators in Python. There are three types of Boolean operators in Python. They are AND, OR, and NOT. The shown symbols are also used in Python as a replication. Coming to truth tables. First, let me show you the truth table for AND operator. If there are two expressions, if the first expression is true, second expression is also true, the result will be true. If the first expression is true, second expression is false, the result will be false. If the first expression is false, second expression is true, the result will be false. If the first expression is false, second expression is false, the result will be false. So thereby the truth table of AND finally gives us an result that if any one of the two expressions is false, the output or result will be false. Truth table for OR operator. If the first expression is true, second expression is true, the result will be true. If the first expression is false, second expression is true, the result will be true. If first expression is true, second expression is false, the result will be true. If the first expression is false, second expression is false, the result will be false. This OR table also gives us a result that if any one of the two expression is true, the result will always be true. Truth table for NOT operator. NOT operator completely gives reverse of the input or the expression input. For example, if the expression is true, the result will be false. If the expression is false, the result will be true. Uses of Boolean operators in Python. We use Boolean operators in Python to make comparisons and to determine the flow of control in a given program. I will show you some example programs to show you the use of Boolean operators in Python. Programs for AND operator. If you see this program carefully, first the n equal to input enter a number will ask the user to give a number. It will check for a condition using it will check two conditions using AND operator. It will enter into the if conditional block only if both the expressions are true. That is, the number should be greater than 0 and it should be less than or equal to 100. And it will print the number is between 0 and 100. Else it will print the number is not between 0 and 100. If you take some sample inputs like -10, -10 will only satisfy one condition, that is n is less than or equal to 100. So it will not satisfy the second condition, that is n is greater than 100. greater than 0. So it will enter the else loop and it will print the number is not between 0 and 100. A program for OR operator. N equal to input enter the number will ask a user to give us a number. It will check for the expression if n is less than 0 or n is greater than 0, and if it is thus, it will print the number is not 0, else it will go to else block and print it is 0. So here we use or operator to determine this not operator. N percentile file. To explain you the program, percentile will give us the remainder. Means if the remainder when it is divided by 5 is not equal to 0, we print as the number is not divisible by 5. Else we will print the number is divisible by 5. Suppose we take an example of 48. 48 percentile 5 gives us 3. 3 is not equal to 0, so it will print the number is not divisible by 5. We have come to the end of my tech talk. Thank you for listening to me patiently. I hope that you have gained some knowledge with these small PPTs. Thank you and Jai Hind.